One army jawan has been injured in the Sunjwan military station in Jammu after terrorists fired from a standoff distance from outside the base. Search operations are on to locate the perpetrators. More details, however, are awaited. That's the big news that we are tracking at this hour. One army jawan has been injured in the Sunjwan military station in Jammu after terrorists fired from a standoff distance from outside the base. Search operations are, of course, on even as we are speaking to locate the perpetrators of this crime. More details, of course, are awaited. One jawan was injured. As we just told you, that's the big news that we are tracking right now. The anti-terror ops have been launched in Jammu and Kashmir even as the state gets union territory, I beg your pardon, gets ready for elections. This is a terror attack. One jawan was injured in the Sunjwan military station in Jammu. We shall get you more details from our colleagues and reporters who are on the ground tracking this big story right in the morning, firing at Sunjwan military station in Jammu, where one jawan has lost his life. Terrorists attacked them from a standoff distance from outside the base in Sunjwan military station. Those are the visuals of the drones, and also search operations are underway even as we speak with you. Let me now go across to my colleague Neha Bhan, who's joining us from the newsroom. Neha, tell me something that, it seems like it's become a regular, and I'm very, very sorry I'm saying this, but it seems like it, looking at the statistics. Now, imagine this is a military station, Neha, in Sunjwan, in Jammu, the area which you are very much aware of. A terrorist fires from a standoff distance from outside the base. So, is the security under major question here?
Absolutely, Sudha. It goes without saying. I mean, it raises a lot of serious questions on the security forces, and it is not something that was not anticipated, given that one knows that when the situation is slightly better in the valley, the focus tends to shift towards the Jammu region. And this is not for the first time that something like this we're getting to witness in the Pir Panjal regions or in the in Jammu particularly. But let me also now tell our viewers what exactly has happened here. A massive anti-terror operation has now been launched in the Jammu city after suspected terrorist activity was detected near the largest army base in the area. The army base as of now has been sealed off to prevent any movement, and a special operations group also, what I'm learning from my sources is that has been deployed to assist with the operation. The defense sources are also indicating that the incident involved a standoff firing, resulting in one jawan on sentry duty being injured. A massive, search operation is currently underway. What I'm learning is that gunshots were heard at the Sunjwan army base in Jammu, and multiple rounds, in fact, were fired. And now drones also have been deployed for search here, Sudha. And, an army jawan, unfortunately, has been injured after terrorists opened fire from outside the Sunjwan military station. We are yet to get have an update on his health condition. But, what we're learning is that the attack took place around 11 a.m. with gunshots targeting the sentry post manned by the 36th Infantry Brigade, Sudha. Over to you.